This 5-minute solution will show you how to hide WhatsApp message conversation on iPhone. So if you want to hide your secret conversation on WhatsApp, just follow these quick solutions to do it. For example, I want to hide this conversation. So I'm going to swiping to the left side, tapping on archive, and the conversation will be hide in archived folder. And as you can see, the archive folder showing up here. And to hide this archived folder also, then go to settings, tap on chats, and disable keep chats archived option. Then go to your chats, and here you won't see the archived option. It means your conversation has been successfully hide now. And to unhide the conversation, go to settings, again tap on chats, enable keeps chats archived, go to chats, and here you will get your hidden chats. So that's how we can hide WhatsApp message conversations. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.